am in Pauls Valley, Oklahoma, and this is the action figure and toy museum. So, you know, if you're in the area and you want to really nerd rage here, I like that chair, it's comfy. Oh wow. I'm really not into action figures at all, or Bratz dolls, but I thought it was an interesting enough pit stop since I was coming by here anyway. Magnavox Odyssey 2000. I don't think I've ever heard of that. That's a new one. I don't think I remember that one either. Gemini video game system? Not that I'm into video games either. Yep, this is the typical 80s child's bedroom with the little desk and stuff. Yep. Wow. What a bunch of crap. I really don't know what any of these are because I'm just not into action figures, so this is not really my jam. This I do remember. Certain kids did have this thing. Nerd rage. Really? Power Rangers? I haven't thought of that in quite some time. You know, since like 1990 or whenever that was on. It's not a huge museum, but I mean, if you're into this sort of stuff, if you're into toys. Is this a Gundam? I don't even know what that means. I think that's some Japanese thing. Not sure though. I'm really not. Now, okay, I find this a bit disturbing, to be honest. I find the underwear stapled to the wall a bit. That's a bit not necessary. Dude, crash test dummies? I've never seen that before. That's a great kid's toy. Who doesn't want to pretend like they're in an ongoing car accident? That is fantastic. Huh. I've never seen that. I guess it's not entirely surprising. What is this? Marbles. We got Pez dispensers. Alright. Transformers. Okay, I do remember that one. The large one in the back. I think one of my friends had one of those. Oh yeah, and that blue one. Yeah, I do remember that one. Simpsons are really played out at this point. They need to do away with that. Oh, the mini-me. That's so random. That is so very random. And this, I have no idea what that is. Is this... It's not a dollhouse. Is that like a Beetlejuice thing? I don't know. I don't know what those are. That's really out of place. It's so out of place. Anyway, I think you get the gist of it, and that is the Toy and Action Figure Museum in Pauls Valley, Oklahoma.